Today we will discuss about our digestive system. Our digestive system begins with mouth and esophagus, and then it goes to stomach, and then in small intestine, and then in large intestine. The liver and pancreas secrete juices for the digestion of the food present in our stomach. Then we will discuss about our mouth and esophagus. The digestion begins in mouth. The food is ground up by teeth and moistened by saliva to make it easy to swallow. Saliva also have a special chemical called enzyme, which starts breaking down carbohydrates into sugars. Once swallowed, muscular contraction of the esophagus message the ball of the food into the stomach. Isozyme is a type of saliva which kills bacteria present in our mouth, and it in the mouth of the baby 1.5 liters saliva produces in 24 hours. It doesn't produces at night, so when we wake up in morning our teeth are dull. And then we discuss about our mouths. The stomach is a muscular bag and it churns the food, help break it into the food passes through a sphincter into the stomach. Here it is mixed with gastric juice mechanically as well as chemically. The food is squished through a second sphincter into the first part of the small intestine called duodenum. In stomach, food stays for 4 hours. Renin enzyme convert milk to curd into the stomach, and pepsin broke protein into peptone. There are three parts of stomach: cardiac, fundic, and pyrolic, and there are rosy in fundic. Then we will discuss about the small intestine. Once in duodenum, the food is mixed with more digestive enzymes from pancreas and bile from the liver. Food is then squeezed into lower part of the small intestine called jejunum and ileum. Nutrients are absorbed from which is lined with millions of finger-like projection villi. Each villi is connected to a mesh of capillary. This is how nutrients pass into the blood stream. And then we will discuss about pancreas. The pancreas an is an largest glands in the human body. As well as digestive juices, it secretes a hormone called insulin. Insulin help up to regulate the amount of sugar in blood. Diabetes is a condition caused by problem with insulin production. And then we will discuss about our liver. The liver has a number of different roles in our body. First role, breaking down fat using bile stored in gallbladder, and then processing protein, carbohydrates, and filtering and processing impurities, drug and turns. Generation of glucose for short-term energy need for another compound like lactate and amino acid. And then we will discuss about our large intestine. Once all the nutrients have been absorbed in small intestine, the waste is moved into the large intestine, or bowel water is removed and waste phases is stored into the rectum. It was passed out of the body by anus.